Alright friends, week 7 is completed. Now this last week is slightly different compared to all our previous weeks. I still had my weekday runs with a 3.5, 2, and a 3-mile coffee table run. Now it isn't a training season, at least for me, without one coffee table run. And instead of a long run, we did a long bike ride with 13 miles over at the Santa Fe Recreational Dam. It actually felt great as it gave my legs a bit of a rest from all the mileage I've been putting on these last few weeks. And considering I do have my final long run next weekend with I believe 6 miles, it's a good way to kind of, you know, take a breather and get back into it, because we only have 2 weeks left into training. Can you believe it? 2 weeks left! So we're gonna make these last 2 weeks count and make sure that our training is tip-top shape, making sure I'm still feeling okay and listening to my body. And I am looking forward to crossing that finish line in 2 weeks. So with that, let's head on to week 8.
already 8 o'clock in the morning. It's already 85 degrees.
Alright friends, week 8 is completed. This past week's weekday runs, we did a 4-mile, 2.5, and 3-mile coffee table run. And this week's long run went all the way up to 6.1 miles. I'm a 0.1 mileage away from completing the 10K, but I will save that for race day. We have been having a heat wave here in Southern California with 100 plus degrees in most areas. It literally was about 80 degrees at 7:30 in the morning. We do have 1 week left and gonna take it easy. Do have some runs scheduled during the week, but not as strenuous. And with that, we will end this update here. Do come back next week as I will have the penultimate episode of this series, followed by the race day video. If you want to see more just like it and all my other adventures and you like what you see here, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I will definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I see you all next time. Take care.